instructions that read, 1, find a horse, 2, enjoy the ride. Well, this poor cowboy doesn't know what a saddle is or what a horse is. So of course he goes through the whole book trying to find that horse, and once he does, he asks the horse, do you want to go for a ride? And he says, sure. And so they go for a ride, but it's probably not the ride you expected. The second story that I have for you today is One Big Building. This is a counting book based on a construction theme. It's really cute. It goes from it goes from number 1 to number 12. And it's because they build a 12-story building. And the nice thing about this book that I liked the best is it has hidden numbers in the pages, so the kids will have to find that numerical number. But off to the side, it also has the number in print, as well as the numerical number, as well as dots for each number. So it's nice that the children can count along with the dots. They see the number in print, and they can also find that numerical number throughout the pages of the book, which is great reinforcement, and it's always fun. Kids love to do that kind of like hide and seek find. The third book I want to share with you today is called Cornelius P. Mudd, Are You Ready for Bed? This book is super cute. It goes through all of the things that a child would do for their bedtime routine, like brushing their teeth and putting their toys away. And at the end, the mom asks, well, are you ready for bed? And he says, no. And she says, well, you've done all these things. Are we missing something? And he says, yes, a hug. So cute. He gets his hug from Mama, and then he can go to bed. This is definitely a book the boys are enjoying at story time for